You may have heard the word cryptocurrency before. But what is it exactly? Well, Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency that you can use through the internet. You can purchase video games, gifts, books, servers, and even more. You simply solve math problems we provide you and earn coins for pizza. Why don't you give a try? Visit our page www.bitcoin.org, not .com, or call us 1-800-BITCOIN. Bitcoin, a bit better than other coin.